used frequently by various governments across the world that almost every few months there are reports of how a phone was hacked using it. On Sunday evening, a number of prominent news websites including The Guardian and The Washington Post published details of what they call global surveillance operations using Pegasus. The surveillance reportedly targets journalists, including over 40 journalists in India, activists, and other key public figures. The reports say that over 10 governments, including India, are involved in surveillance of people using Pegasus spyware. India, in a statement to Guardian, called the Guardian report phishing expedition based on conjectures and exaggerations to malign the Indian democracy and its institutions. However, the country, in its statement to the Guardian, did not categorically deny using Pegasus. The NSO Group, in the statement to Guardian, called its report titled The Pegasus Project an attempt to discredit NSO Group on false grounds. It said in a statement that the NSO does not operate the systems that it sells to the vetted government customers and does not have access to the data of its customers' targets. Pegasus is a spyware developed by NSO Group, an Israeli company that specializes in what experts call cyber weapons. It first came to limelight in 2016 when an Arab activist got suspicious after receiving a shady message. It was believed that Pegasus was targeting iPhone users. Several days after its discovery, Apple released an updated version of iOS which reportedly patched the security loophole that Pegasus was used to hack phones. However, a year later, security researchers found that Pegasus was equally capable of infecting the Android phones. More security patches and more information trickled. Then, in 2019, Facebook filed a case against the NSO Group for creating Pegasus. The security researchers at Facebook were chasing Pegasus across their systems, and they found that software was used to infect several journalists and activists in India. This was also the time when WhatsApp told the affected Indian users about it through a message. It is worth noting that NSO Group has confirmed the existence of Pegasus. However, Israeli company has also said that it sells the tools only to governments and that it is not responsible for its misuse.